Cock-a-doodle-doo, the day begins. Let's go see our animal friends. Moo moo says the cow, oink oink says the pig, quack quack says the duck, and the frog says ribbit ribbit. Walking through the barn, the sheep goes baa, the dog says woof, and the cat says meow. In the pond, the fish goes blah blah blah. Let's sing along and show some love. Moo moo says the cow, oink oink says the pig, quack quack says the duck, and the frog says ribbit ribbit. The horse goes neigh, the donkey goes hee-haw, the bird goes tweet, and the bees say buzz buzz. So many sounds, let's sing them together. Animals make our world much better. At the end of the day, the owl goes hoo, the cricket chirps a nighttime tune. Animals asleep beneath the moonlight, we'll hear them all again at first light. Moo moo says the cow, oink oink says the pig, quack quack says the duck, and the frog says ribbit ribbit. Good night to the cow, the pig, and the duck. Good night to the frog with a ribbit. Dream of the sounds that they make all day. Tomorrow we'll sing and play.
Good night to the cow, the pig, and the duck. Good night to the frog with a ribbit. Dream of the sounds that they make all day. Tomorrow we'll sing and play.